Does it make a good lipstick? How does it look? Good.
Good morning, class! Miss CrayCray is here. I am so excited for today's class. Ladies, I have something so special, something spectacular, something that no teacher has ever done before. Don't you want to know what it is?
Yeah.
First of all, wait a minute. Before we begin, is that gum I see in your mouth?
Nope.
We're doing too much makeup slime. We are going to be mixing too much makeup into slime. I mean, not that I'm wearing too much makeup, but I thought I would show off some of my beautiful artistry. Don't I look beautiful, class? Don't I?
Wait, do we actually have to put on makeup? Oh, that would be so much fun.
Sorry, girls. Only this beauty can wear makeup like this. You girls are just going to mix it. So, there's some rules that you have to follow when you want to mix too much makeup or any makeup at all into slime. The number one rule in mixing makeup into slime is there are no rules. I'm just kidding. There are rules. Crack myself up. Okay. Okay, so these are the rules you want to remember when you're mixing makeup or picking makeup to mix. You don't want to use colors that are too dark, like the browns and the blacks, or like a dark green or dark blue. Because you know what's going to happen if you do that? It's going to make the whole thing that color. You want to pick brighter colors or lighter colors, or colors that are very similar.
Oh, that makes sense.
The second rule to makeup mixing slime is you don't want to pick anything that has alcohol in it. The alcohol will actually melt your slime and make it so you can't put it together. It's really not a good idea. But after that, it's all hands on deck. You can choose any makeup that you want to use and have a lot of fun with it.
Yay! Yay!
Now that you've had your lesson, it's time for a test. The first test we're going to have for you, Naiah, is you are going to have to make unicorn makeup slime. In this palette, you have lots of colors to choose from, but you must choose at least 5 colors. You can choose any amount you want to put into your slime.
Ooh!
Here you go. That's for your test. And for Ellie, we have a mermaid makeup set.
Wow, that is better than unicorn.
In this mermaid palette, you have lots of beautiful colors to choose from. And again, you have to choose at least 5 colors from this pack to mix into your slime. Here's your mermaid. Now, I'm going to choose for this test, Naiah, you will be having white glue. And Ellie, you're going to get clear glue.
Yay! I need this to make fun.
There's a little trick to this test. Unfortunately, I kind of decided I don't want to wash any bowls or utensils today. So you're going to have to make your slimes on the table.
No! Oh, not again. Not like last time. Come on, you can't be that lazy.
I guess I could be a little nice. You guys get to mix your slime with these. Here's your mixing utensils. Your test begins now, ladies.
teacher, my spoon broke.
Your spoon broke. Let me take a look at this. It does look a little broken. But this is still a good tool to use.
No, it's not.
You can use that little part. Continue your test.
I'm using this now. Yeah, I'm glad I broke mine. This is the weirdest one I've used. My turn to shine. Ooh, this is pretty.
Okay, class, time's up. Slime's down. First, we are going to inspect Naiah's slime. Let me take a look at this slime. Nice and stretchy. Oops. Ooh. No chunks of makeup. Very pretty color. Almost like a bubble gum. Ooh, and it has a nice shimmer. Let's give it a good long stretch. Ooh! Oh, look at that! It almost made a C for CrayCray. Maybe I should give bonus points for that. Now, smells good, looks good, nice stretch. Excuse me, time for a bounce. Good bounce. Now, for the ultimate test, I want to see a bubble. Beautiful! Let's examine this bubble. Oh, it blows nicely in the wind. Blows that way. Now it's time for Elli. Oh, these dirty arms? Dirty arms are not allowed in slime class. We must keep our slime area nice and neat, and we must make slime like a lady. Ladies don't have slime all over them like this. I'm doing a demonstration and look what happened. Oh, it's on my shoe! Oh dear. Okay. Oh, very good slime. I must say, it is cleaning up very well. Oh, the sign of a good slime is a good cleanup. Okay, look at this color. This color does remind me of a mermaid. It's nice and silky. Ooh, so smooth. Oh. Now let's get a nice stretch going. Whoa! This is very fast slime. Look at that. Whoa! This is almost like cake batter slime. It looks like cake batter. Very fast, very stretchy. It's time for the bounce. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh! Look at that bounce. That was incredible. Now it's time for you know what? Let me see a bubble. Very cute bubble. And it looks like a seashell. Your mermaid bubble is shaped like a mermaid seashell. Very good. Now let me get a good pop. Oh! Pop. Perfect. It is now time for me to tally up your grades. But first, who do you think passed and failed? Did she pass or did she pass? Or did they both fail? You guys let me know. What grade should they get for this first round? Naiah, you are getting an A+ for this slime.
We're supposed to be plus of the year.
Elli, you are getting an A-, but you passed the test. It's time for test number 2. In our next test, we are going to be putting too much lipstick into slime. But first, we have to get rid of these things. In this bowl, I have some lipsticks. You girls are going to blindly pick the lipsticks out, and whatever lipsticks you choose, that's what you're going to be tested on. Now, I don't want any bad attitudes. You get what you get, and you don't
pick a fit.
That's right. You don't make a fit. All right? Let's begin. To begin the choices, you're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, it looks like Naiah will go first. Reach into the bowl. Let's see what lipstick you have.
Ooh. Ow. This is from L'Oreal Paris.
Let's swatch it on your hand, your arm.
It looks like Naiah's cheetah now. Yeah, it kind of does.
Pick yours. Okay.
What color is it, Ellie? Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh.
Let's swatch it on your arm.
I couldn't wait to be old enough to do makeup. Ooh. So fun. Ooh, I got some pink. Sausage.
Let's swatch it.
Ooh, that's really. Wait, how's it like pink?
Take a look. Beautiful pink.
Ooh, it's wet. Ooh.
Very similar to the other one.
Cause my eyes so new. Ooh. Another light pink.
Let us swatch you. You're getting lots of pinks. For this slime, we will be using white glue for both of your lipstick slimes. So, I'm going to pour the glue. You're going to use this
And chop the head off this lipstick.
Jump. Jump. Chop. Chop for masterpiece.
Start your chopping. Okay, slides down. Your time is up. It's time to judge these lipstick slimes. First up is Elli. Nice and buttery. This feels like butter slime. There are some chunks of lipstick left, but it's still beautiful. It's a very light pink. Let's check the stretching. Very good. Let's see how it cleans up. Oh, nicely. Not sticking to anything. Let's see a bounce. Now, wait, I have an extra special test.
Does it make a good lipstick? How does it look? good.
Now it's time to see a bubble. Hurry up now.
Beautiful bubble. Beautiful shape. So lovely. Now, let me just test it. Oh, I tried to lick it, but it wouldn't let me.
Now it's on to Naiah. Your color is very similar to Ellie's, but it is a deeper pink. There are some chunks. Let's give it a drop test, shall we? Woo! Very nice. Let's see how it cleans. Oh, came up in one go. Now it's on to the ultimate test.
Oh, look good. How do I look? Oh, look good.
Now let's do a drop test. Beautiful. Now a bubble. Beautiful bubble. Oh, but I see a chunk in this bubble. Oh, and he deflated before I could test him. For the lipstick test, I give Ellie an A. And I give Naiah an A-. Great job, girls. That's it today for Slime School. We are going to be doing another Too Much Makeup in Slime School. So make sure you girls do your homework. I need you to bring me as much makeup as you can into the next class so we can test it out. Class!